Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First off, let me tell you guys something about my hair. Okay, so like I normally part it on like this side, like it goes this way, but today it blow dried funky, so I was like, here, let me just put some hair over this way and hopefully it looks okay. And I kind of dig it. Like, I don't know, it kind of gets in my way though, like, I don't know. Like, I like it though, like I think it looks cool. I don't know, have to try it out again, but so far in the like 30 minutes that I've been showered and it blow dried my hair, it looks pretty nice. I think today I'm going for a more natural look. I don't know, I kind of want to go bronzy today because I'm doing things today like that require me to not look like a fool. So this won't be a colorful one today, so sorry for all the people who really love the colorful ones. Look, I am going to be taking my Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette. I love this palette so much. I got it like, I want to say 2 years ago, but I don't also remember when it came out. Whenever it came out is when I got it. Okay, I already primed my eyes with concealer and set it with powder. So I'm just going to get right into the eyeshadow. This is like every other tutorial that I do because I never do my brows on camera. If you guys want to see my brow routine, do I have a video on it? Pretty sure it's like in a video somewhere, but I've never like had a dedicated video. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. I'm going to go into the shade Peanut Butter right here. I am taking that on a tapered blending brush, the Sigma E40. I'm just going to blend that all over my crease. I'm going to go into the shade Nuts About You. I love that shade name. I just like the word nuts. Is that weird? Like, I say that all the time. Like, when something happens, I'm like, nuts! Or like, that one video. Was it a Vine or a video? I can never remember. But the little girl was like, Mom, get my nuts! My nuts! And it just makes me laugh. Okay, I'm taking that on a Sigma Diffuse crease brush. This is the E38. And see, these little hairs get in my way. Maybe I don't like it on this side. I don't know. But I'm just taking that and deepening up that color that we first put down. Just okay. I'm going into the shade Peanut Brittle. I'm taking that on like a little flat brush and just packing it on my eyelid. A little bit of fallout just like made its way into my mouth, and not gonna lie, it kind of tasted good. Okay, I'm going to take the shade Bananas on my finger, and I'm just gonna pat it into the middle of my eye, just so I have that like dimension. I'm taking the Wet n Wild Waterproof Mega Liner. Okay guys, I'm gonna get started on my face. I already put on my e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. And I am going in with my L'Oreal Pro Glow per usual. Okay, next I am taking this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I just bought it like maybe a week ago and I really like it so far, so. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Coty Airspun powder and set my face. Okay, for bronzer, I'm going into this ColourPop Duo, and I'm going into the bronzer in here, obviously. Okay, for contour, I am going into the Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to go into this one, the lightest shade, and then just contour my cheeks. Okay, I'm going to be going in with the Sephora blush in Too Hot. Okay, I'm going to be going into the Joseph Colors Katie and Desi collection in Fuego. I'm gonna take that on my sponge, just rub it in there, and then pat it into my cheeks, just so it's like melting it into the skin. Okay, I'm going into the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. So good. And adding mascara, I didn't put anything, like any shadow underneath my eyes because I can't be bothered. Okay guys, before I put on lipstick, I have something super exciting to tell you guys about. One of my best friends, Opie, she started her own little boutique and I'm super proud of her. She's been working so hard for like 2 months and she finally opened it, and it's like a little Facebook shop, so she makes a lot of cool things, like from decorations to personal care. She has bath bombs that she calls bath plops, and I think it's so freaking cute. But I have one of her lip scrubs here today. I actually have 2, but I've been using the cotton candy one first because I love cotton candy. But yeah, I'm using one of her lip scrubs today, and honestly, like, it's so good. Like, I'm not just saying that because she's my friend, but like, lip scrubs, and it's 2 for $3 and 1 for $2. So honestly, I think it's like a really good deal because I know the ones at Lush are like $6 or $8. I can't remember, but one time I bought them and they dried up super fast, so whatever. But 2 for $3. Come on guys, I'll link her little shop down below. But yeah, she has a lot of cool things. She has mugs and she has wreaths, she has picture frames, bath bombs, I already said that. Yeah, it's like super awesome, so go check out her shop, buy things from her. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking the cotton candy lip scrub and prepping my mouth for lipstick. I always lick my finger first before I go in, and just, it honestly like tastes like a cotton candy slushie. I know I look crazy right now with the sugar on my mouth, but it tastes like a cotton candy slushie. Like, not a slushie, like a snow cone. And I said that really weird, snow cone. but it tastes like snow cone and it's so good. Like I just want to lick it off my lips before I even like do anything. It's so freaking good. It's like so smooth too. Like I don't know what's in here, but after I'm done it like makes my lips feel like super soft. I know there's sugar in there which exfoliates, but like there's something else. It's like so good. For today's lipstick, I am going in with this Kylie Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Ginger. I kind of look like Kim Possible right now. You know how like their top lip is always darker than their bottom lip? That's what they look like, and yeah. Okay guys, this is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, whatever you want to do. And maybe hit that bell notification down below so you get a notification whenever I post. Unless you want to get a notification. But yeah, catch you later.